Coreldraw is a versatile graphic design software that is well suited for various tasks and industries. Here are some of the areas where Coreldraw excels. Logo design. With its powerful vector capabilities, along with features like PowerClip and numerous effects, Coreldraw is a popular choice among designers for creating professional and eye-catching logos. Print design. Coreldraw is widely used in the print industry for designing brochures, flyers, business cards, posters, banners, and other marketing materials. Its CMYK color support and precise layout tools make it a go-to software for print projects. Typography. Coreldraw offers a wide range of typographic tools for creating and editing text, including advanced features like font management, text effects, and text shaping. It's often used for designing custom typography and typography-based artwork. Web graphics. While primarily a vector-based software, Coreldraw also supports bitmap editing and is used for creating web graphics such as website banners, buttons, icons, and graphics for social media. Signage and large format printing. Coreldraw's ability to work with large canvas sizes and its support for spot colors and Pantone libraries make it a popular choice for designing signage, vehicle wraps, billboards, and other large format prints. Embroidery and apparel design. Coreldraw is commonly used in the apparel industry for designing embroidery patterns, t-shirt graphics, patches, and other apparel designs. Packaging design. Its precise layout tools and support for 3D effects make Coreldraw suitable for designing packaging layouts, labels, and packaging mock-ups. Photo editing. While not as advanced as dedicated photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop, Coreldraw includes basic photo editing tools and is often used for simple image adjustments and enhancements. Multimedia and presentations. Coreldraw's ability to create vector-based graphics and its integration with other Corel software like Corel Photo Paint and Corel Connect make it useful for creating multimedia presentations and interactive content.